word splashes are also a really good way to identify what students know about content-related vocabulary. So within a word splash, there are various words that are on a sheet of paper, on a half sheet or index card that relate to a unit or a topic of study. And with a partner, students will use those words to answer whatever the question or essential question or exit question might be. So their ability to use those words correctly as they reframe and answer the question allows them to identify what they learned about the lesson, as well as their use of the vocabulary to ensure as it's being graded that those terms were used correctly.
I think it's important to start teaching our students what victory and achievement and success feels like. Too many of them have experienced the negative, the loss, the deficiencies. So a book that I recommend is Tiny Habits by Dr. B.J. Fogg out of Stanford University. He also puts out a Tiny Habit Challenge for a week where he gives you a coach. I'm going to give you a real quick example due to the sake of time. If I'm going to try to improve my flossing of my teeth, I got to figure out how a habit works. I'm going to put my floss by my toothbrush and brush my teeth. The tiny habit is to floss in between two teeth. That's it. It's tiny. It's simple. Even somebody with me, like me, is like, I don't know, I'm going to overachieve. I'm going to floss 2 more teeth today. Well, now I've discovered what that sense of achievement and victory is, and I want more of it because now I know what it feels like. We need to be able to teach them what that feels like.
Another one, capitalizing on the love of social media, would be the students doing a headline, more so clickbait. So how could you write a summary that would make a person want to click on this? The way things are framed on social media, and then you click and you listen to the video and it doesn't even take you down the path you think it's going to take you down. And so asking the students to do that, number one, shows that they truly understand the concept if they can quickly describe it in a short headline that would make you want to know more about it while still hiding the true content of what is actually going to be inside of that video or that passage.